Imagine waking up to notifications of money rolling into your bank account without doing a thing. Sounds like a dream, right? What if I told you it's not only possible, but you can start today with $0? That's right. No investment, no risky business moves, just pure opportunity. Stick around because in the next 10 minutes, we'll uncover the passive income ideas that can change your life forever. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's get real for a second. How many of you are tired of living paycheck to paycheck? How many have ever wondered, is this all there is to life? Will I ever be financially free? You see, most people fall into the trap of thinking they need money to make money. It's the oldest myth in the book. I get it. You're young, you're hustling, but the bills keep piling up, the student loans won't stop calling, and that dream vacation seems farther away than ever. And that get-rich-quick scheme you tried? Yeah, that didn't work either. But here's the catch. What if I told you that you don't need a single penny to start building your financial future? What if I told you that starting today, you can create a source of income that works for you while you sleep? It's time to unlock the truth about passive income. Let's dive into the first idea that could start changing your life today. Scene transitions to a young person excitedly typing on their computer in a cozy home office. 1. Freelance writing or content creation. First up, freelance writing or content creation. I know, but I don't know how to write. Well, think again. You don't need to be a professional author to get started. You simply need your thoughts, your ideas, and the ability to communicate them effectively. With platforms like Medium, Substack, or even starting your own blog, you can start earning money just by sharing your knowledge. And here's the kicker, for Shay. If you're passionate about a niche, the audience is already out there waiting for your content. If you can send a tweet or make a funny meme, you've got what it takes to create valuable content. And trust me, people will pay for it. But don't just take my word for it. Writers have built entire careers by publishing online articles or launching subscription-based newsletters. It's something you can start today. No investment, no extra tools required. And as your content grows, so does your income. Imagine waking up to emails from clients or new subscribers. That's the power of passive income. 2. Affiliate marketing. Next up, affiliate marketing. No product, no inventory, just promoting what's already out there. Think of it as a virtual middleman. You don't need to be an expert at selling, you just need to be good at recommending things you genuinely like. Whether it's tech gadgets, fitness programs, or courses, affiliate marketing lets you earn a commission every time someone buys through your recommendation. And here's the thing. It can be done through your blog, social media, or YouTube, without spending a dime. Sounds easy, right? But here's the catch, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. You'll need to be consistent and strategic. But over time, the income can be substantial, with commissions flowing in while you focus on other things. If you've ever recommended something to a friend, guess what? You've already got the skills. In fact, the most successful affiliate marketers build passive income streams that generate money 24/7. Yes, even while you're eating lunch or binge-watching your favorite series. 3. Online course creation. This one's for all the experts in the room. Think you don't have any special skills? Think again. Everyone has something to offer. From photography to fitness to cooking, you can create a course and teach others what you already know. The best part? You create the course once and it keeps making money over time. This is the definition of passive income. And the best part? You don't need to spend a dime up front to get started. All you need is a camera or your phone and the knowledge to share. Just imagine. You could be teaching people in Australia while you're relaxing on a beach in Hawaii. Sounds pretty good, right? By hosting your course on platforms that take care of everything for you. From hosting to payment processing, your only job is to create valuable content. And over time, the income just keeps coming. But let's talk about something that is probably already in your pocket. And no, it's not your phone. It's something even better for building passive income. 4. Selling digital products. The next idea is creating and selling digital products. These could be anything. Printable planners, design templates, stock photos, or even digital art. The beauty of digital products? Once you make them, you don't have to keep making them. You simply upload and start selling. Think about it. You create a high-quality digital product once and it can generate income continuously. It's the epitome of passive income, and you can sell it on marketplaces with zero upfront costs. Many people have turned digital products into six-figure businesses, and they started with nothing but their skills and a laptop. This is the kind of opportunity you can't ignore. 5. YouTube and content monetization. And finally, yes, YouTube, the platform that lets you earn from your content without needing to spend a dime. From ad revenue to sponsorships and merchandise, YouTube offers endless ways to generate passive income. But here's the thing, you don't need millions of subscribers to start earning. You just need to be consistent, create valuable content, and monetize once your audience starts growing. What are you waiting for? Every minute you wait is a minute someone else is getting ahead. Start now, and soon, you'll find yourself in the same place you once thought impossible, living your dream lifestyle. And just wait. In a year, you might be the one telling others about how you turned your passion into a profitable business. So, what's your next step? Which passive income idea will you try first? The power to change your financial future is in your hands. Start small, stay consistent, and watch the magic happen. If you're serious about taking the leap, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more tips to help you build the life you've always dreamed of. Your future self will thank you. Let's get started.